What's up, guys? Welcome to OMG. Today I'll be talking about how to earn money from Flipkart and Amazon. I know lots of people will be ordering from Flipkart and Amazon every day um, and trying out new things. So, today in this video, I'll be telling you how to earn money from Amazon and Flipkart for your online shopping and get a lot of passive income. Try out new things, buy from Amazon, and earn a lot of money. Isn't it great earning money by shopping online? So stay tuned till the end. Number one we are going to look into is Amazon. So how to earn money from Amazon is really simple. I'll be telling you now is Amazon Associate. Joining as an Amazon Associate. So affiliate programs are a big passive income stream in India online. So I think this is a great way you can actually earn a lot of money if you are hosting a website or a YouTuber or even if you are doing some FB pages or Instagram pages, you can actually do affiliate marketing to grow your online business. I think this is a great idea because lots of people are buying from Amazon in India nowadays, and there is a very high traffic in this website. So as a website owner or a YouTuber or Instagram post, you can actually tell people that you have bought this one and this one is really good, and talk about an interview, like just say it in your a natural way that you have really experienced this one, and this product from Amazon is really good, and you can just try it out. I'll post the link in the description box below. Like that, you have to just tell your audience to take a look at that and leave a link in the description. So by this, whenever a person purchases something from your link, you will be getting a commission. So the commission rates are you can see that on the screen. It will be differing upon various products. Each product will be having different rates. Like for technology and other goods, you'll be getting 4% commission, and it differs. So you can actually check it out in their website. I'll be providing those website link in the description box below. If you want to have a look at that, you can just take a look at it. I'll be posting it in the description box below. And it's really simple to get started. What you have to do is click on sign in as an affiliate, and you will be having some few questions asked by Amazon. Fill up all those things and give your URL for approval. Your URL of your website or YouTube has to be complete and perfect. At least post some 50 blog posts if it's your website, and give it for approval. It will take around 24 to 48 hours to approve. My website got approved in 24 hours, so it differs upon each website. So in India it will take around 24 to 48 hours, and after you get approval, you will be starting off by getting links for each product and paste it with your blog post, so that whenever someone visits your blog, will be clicking onto the product, and they will be redirected to Amazon, and if they like, they will be buying. When they are buying, you will be getting commission. If the product they bought is returned, you will not be getting commission. So read on to the rules. Your earnings dashboard will be updated once a day. You can access orders, reports, everything from your dashboard. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So number 2 is Flipkart affiliate program. Same as Amazon, you can promote any product of your choice on any platform that you have got approval. So this is same as Amazon, and updates will be like your earnings dashboard will get updated whenever you have an approved sales through your product link. So as you can see on the on my dashboard, you'll be having commissions, affiliate links, everything you'll be having. You just have to take the URL of the product that you like and post it in your web page as however you want, like just an image or image with price or image with some name tag. That's your wish. You can post it however you want. And most importantly, whenever you're signing up as an affiliate in Amazon or Flipkart, they will be giving you 1 year time period. You have to make at least 3 sales to be to stay on their platform. So to exist there, you have to make at least 3 sales within a year, and you will be getting commissions for each sale, like without return. The sale which is not returned, you'll be getting the commission. And if Amazon or Flipkart finds you that you're not following any terms and conditions that they have given you, you'll be banned from their affiliate program. You won't be able to monetize that same blog, or with same details you cannot enter into that platform. And you can earn a lot if you are having a high traffic websites. You can earn a really good amount of money from Amazon or Flipkart, because whenever a product comes into a market, people will be looking for very legitimate websites to buy, like Amazon or Flipkart. Flipkart is famous throughout India. It's one of best e-commerce platforms in India. It's growing, it's really good. But Amazon is like worldwide famous. Everyone uses Amazon, as far as I know, like most of them will be using it worldwide. So I think these two websites will be really great if you are starting with affiliate program with very less knowledge about affiliate programs, and you don't have to know very much about it. So the type of report you'll be getting each month from these type of platforms is that you'll be getting a payment report. Payment report is something that you'll be getting for the payment you have received, and all those through how you have received everything. And other is order report, like how much order you have got, and how much people. And another report is traffic report. Traffic report will be giving you on how many people have seen your ad and how many people have clicked through it and have came into Amazon platform. So you'll be getting all those traffic reports in your dashboard itself. Another important thing is that conversion rate. So conversion rate is nothing but whenever a person buys a product from the link you have given, if he isn't returning it back to Amazon or Flipkart, you will be getting a higher commission rate, and that conversion rate will be increasing. So it is like how many people aren't returning back, you will be getting that much amount. So if a person, like many number of people clicking onto the link and returning it a lot, you will be getting a lower commission rate. So I hope the information is useful. Start earning today and start it now. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.